What is Ethereum Classic? It's a little bit different from Ethereum, but Ethereum Classic is trading at $34.80 according to CoinMarketCap, ranked number 18th as well. In the recent news, what happened in the last 24 hours, it has surged roughly 16.6%. The cryptocurrency looks to be benefiting from Ethereum upcoming merger. I'll go ahead and highlight this right now. So they kind of benefit from it. But what is Ethereum Classic? Well, the crypto was created after July 2016 incident that split the Ethereum community. Now, Ethereum, the network, originally launched in 2015 as a community-run platform that powers its crypto called Ether and decentralized application DApps. It was imagined as a way of developers to build the app with more freedom, hailed as the world's programmable blockchain. So this is why this was created. Now, the original Ethereum platform was also created, the concept of smart contracts, programs that execute automatically without the human intervention. Then agreed upon conditions are met. Now, this is the website Ethereum Classic, the Unstoppable Ethereum. You can also see more articles and headlines that recently done, including this one right here. Ethereum miners spent $15 billion on GPUs in the last 2 years. So it's a lot of volumes, a lot of things happen with Ethereum Classic. It is trading about $34.81, ranked number 18, and it's gonna be here, and it's already showing signs of it surging with the upcoming merger. Ethereum Classic, there it is. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. This is the Captain speaking, and this is ClearCryptos. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video.